Good morning, students. This is your geography lesson. Students, we are studying about roads network in Pakistan. And today we will continue our lesson with the principal roads of Pakistan. Students, national highways of Pakistan are a network of toll highways in Pakistan which are owned, maintained and operated by the National Highways Authority under the Ministry of Communications. And Pakistan's national highways include the famous Grand Trunk Road, Indus Highway, Karakoram Highway, and Makran Coastal Highway. Students, do you know that all national highways in Pakistan are prefixed with the letter N? N stands for national, followed by the unique numerical designation of the specific highway. And national highways are distinct from strategic highways, which begin with the prefix S and are controlled and operated by the Ministry of Defense. Students, we have to study these roads and these national highways in detail. So we will study these national highways in detail. Number 1, the N5, the National Highway, Grand Trunk Road. Our first road is Grand Trunk Road. We will read about this road in detail. The N5 stretches for 1260 kilometers from Karachi through Lahore and Peshawar to Turkham, which is the last town on the Pakistan-Afghanistan border. It changes name at Lahore. So students, this is about the National Highway Grand Trunk Road. This is about 1260 kilometers and it starts from Karachi through Lahore and Peshawar to Turkham, which is the last town on the Pakistan-Afghanistan border. And when it passes from Lahore, it changes name. The National Highway. The N5 is called the National Highway from Karachi to Lahore. It serves the eastern side of the Indus in Sindh, passing through Hyderabad and Sakkar. These are the cities of Sindh. In Punjab, it passes through Bahawalpur and Multan. So students, when it passes from Karachi to Lahore, it is called N5. It changes its name. And in Sindh, it passes through Hyderabad and Sakkar. And in Punjab, it passes through Bahawalpur and Multan. B. The Grand Trunk Road. From Lahore to Peshawar, the N5 is called the Grand Trunk Road. Now, again, it is changed from Lahore to Peshawar. The N5 is called the Grand Trunk. Here, in the beginning, the N5 is called the National Highway from Karachi to Lahore. And now, the name is changed. Now, N5 is called the Grand Trunk Road, that is from Lahore to Peshawar. This famous road is part of the historical route built by Sher Shah Suri, linking the Mughal cities of Kabul, Peshawar, Rawalpindi, Lahore and Delhi and on to Bengal. For several thousand years, this route has been used by invaders, attackers, traders and pilgrims and has facilitated the spread of new ideas, technologies, and religions. Students, Sher Shah Suri was the founder of the Suri Empire in the northern part of the Indian subcontinent. He introduced the currency of rupee. He extended the Grand Trunk Road from Chittagong in the frontiers of the province of Bengal in the northeast India to Kabul, that is in Afghanistan, and in the far northwest of the country. And this route was used by the foreigners, attackers, traders, and pilgrims. And whoever came here, he enlightened the area with new glimpses of ideas, teachings, and technologies. In Pakistan today, parts of it have been made into dual carriageway, and it is still of major importance, serving the major cities of Lahore, Gujranwala, Rawalpindi, Islamabad, and Peshawar. The road is often referred to as simply the GT road. So students, this road is called GT road now because it is a very famous road and it links different cities in Pakistan. Number 2, the Indus Highway. It is 1204 km long and covers the districts located on the west bank of the river Indus. The link from Karachi to Kotri is a new dual carriageway. It is a toll road and is called the super highway. From Kotri, the Indus Highway broadly follows the west bank of the Indus, serving the cities of Dadu, Larkana, Shikarpur, Dera Ghazi Khan, and Dera Ismail Khan. From Dera Ismail Khan, it leaves the Indus and reaches Peshawar via the Kohat or Kotal Pass. Whilst this route from Karachi to Peshawar is shorter than the N5, overall less improvements have been placed along it. So students, it is 1204 km long and links from Karachi to Kotri, toll road called the Super Highway Road, and serving cities Dadu, Larkana, Shikarpur, Dera Ismail Khan, Peshawar, and Kohat. Number 3, the RCD Highway. It connects Karachi with Quetta over 600 km away. The road heads northwest from Karachi, crossing into Balochistan at Hub Chowki. After passing through Lasbela, Khuzdar, Quetta, Noshki, and Nokhundi in Pakistan, it then leads to Iran and Turkey. So students, Hub is the capital of the Hub Tehsil located in the Lasbela district of Balochistan, Pakistan. So students, it connects Karachi with Quetta. The roads heads northwest from Karachi crossing into Balochistan at Hub Chowk. The roads heads northwest from Karachi crossing into Balochistan at Hub Chowk. Lahore, Quetta. Number 4. Route 50 from Lahore passes through Faisalabad and crosses the Indus by a bridge at Dera Ismail Khan, which was completed in 1987. The road then passes through the Derajat in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa before crossing the Suleiman Range into Balochistan and through Zob to Quetta. Only the Punjab part of the road is heavily used. So students, the route is 50 from Lahore. It passes through Faisalabad, crosses the Indus by a bridge at Dera Ismail Khan. The road passes through Derajat, crossing the Suleiman Range into Balochistan. Number 5. Sakhar Quetta. Route 65 links Sakhar on the N5 to Shikarpur on the Indus Highway and on to Quetta via Jacobabad, Sippy and the Bolan Pass. So, Sakhar Quetta route is 65. It links Sakhar on to N5 to Shikarpur on the Indus Highway and on to Quetta via Jacobabad, Sippy and the Bolan Pass. Number 6. Karakoram Highway. This is a road connecting Pakistan with China, as we have already read. 7. Karachi Gwadar. This coastal road is under construction, but much of it is still a kacha, and turning it into a fully metalled road will take several years. So students, this road is under construction and it will take many years to construct.